Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Cilla Stuff and Things. Today Summer and I are going to be making lunch, and we did a Q&A Ask Me Anything poll over on Instagram. So make sure you stay tuned and see the answers to your questions. Also, thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Let's get cooking. All right guys, so you have decided for us what we're going to cook. It was between the crispy maple mustard chicken and the bavette steak and balsamic burst tomato sauce, and y'all picked the chicken, so I'm super excited about that. Make sure you click on the link down in the description and use my code CillaStuff10 to get 10 free meals in your first month. So like I said before, we did a poll and we asked you guys to send in questions, and so you guys really came out. I don't know that we're going to be able to answer all of your questions, but we will get to as many as we can while we're cooking. Okay, so we are going to jump right into your questions. Go ahead, Sam. Tell me what the first one is.
First one is, what's one kitchen gadget / tool that you don't have that you wish you did?
Ooh, that's a good one. Right? So I think more attachments for my mixer, which is kind of weird because I don't use it that much. I don't like to bake, but that might be one.
That's cool. There's a lot about how we met.
Oh, okay. You want to tell the story?
Sure. We met through Surfers for Autism. So we had done it by ourselves for a lot of years and then met each other, and just every event started hanging out more and more, and then turned into coming and hanging out, and here I am now forever.
I was going to say, like, it's been 9 years?
Yeah, a really long time.
So it was way before YouTube even started.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy, like seeing pictures of you and Isaiah.
Yeah.
Because he's so much taller and bigger than her now. and that was not always the case. So
or even with Abigail, like we took a picture at Disney, however many years ago, and she could fit on my back, and we tried to do it this year, and she would not get on my back, or honestly, I don't think I could have held her for as long as I did before.
So one of the things I love looking at these pictures because I want to make it look like that. You think we can?
Okay, yeah.
So challenge accepted. We're going to try to make our chicken dish look just as good or even better. We'll see what happens.
We can make it better.
One of the things I love about HelloFresh is that it takes... I hate having to decide what everybody in the family is going to eat for dinner. And so this takes that away. Now there's 3 options, and it just helps me not have to make those hard decisions. It's like the hardest decision I make all day.
Somebody asked in here, I can't find it again, but how many days during the week do you actually use HelloFresh?
So typically we'll do at least 1 day a week, sometimes 2, but typically 1. And if we don't use it for dinner, I will cook it and then have it for lunches. So we like to do that as well because it's quick and easy. Most meals don't take any more than like 40 minutes. I think this one today is like 35. So, working from home, that makes it really easy. And I like this one because we're going to throw it in the oven and like forget about it. So I don't even have to like be over the stovetop, which is very convenient.
John Brazy wants to know, why does he not get invited for dinner?
Oh, you're always invited. So, but really, this is a 4-person meal. You can get 2 people, which I know you and your girl do. But yeah, honestly, guys, we get the 4-person meal, but we've always had leftovers, so now we have some here, and it works well for 5. So it works for all family sizes.
All right, this is a good one. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What is your favorite part of being an autism mom?
So my girl will always be my little girl. Like, we miss out on some things, but we appreciate the small things that I think that we take for granted, with Isaiah even. So that would be my favorite part. And she's pure. Like, she does wrong. Like, she pinches and she knows that she's doing that. But yeah, I would say that's my favorite part. So I know this is such a simple thing, but it's like one of my favorite parts, that you can use this bag. Like, that's what they want you to do, is to throw all your trash in it. So don't get rid of it when you get your meal. Like, leave it right there. It works so easy. I don't know. It's the small things in life.
Everybody wants to know what our go-to coffee order is.
Okay.
So mine is usually a caramel iced coffee with cream.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah. Mine is a medium hot coffee with 2 pumps of French vanilla swirl because it's too much with the regular amount, and cream.
Yep.
Asa is medium hot with just cream, and Isaiah, fun fact, he won't ever watch this video. When it's late at night and we do coffee runs, Summer and I get him decaf iced coffee, but typically he just drinks black coffee iced. He will never know that we get him decaf though, but it affects him and he stays up all night.
We have to take the sticker off before we get inside so we won't see it. Oh, he's gonna, this could be the one video he does watch.
Oh, that would be our luck. All right, I have a fun fact for you guys. I don't know, it's a mom thing. So typically, on average, you spend 41 minutes in the grocery store if you go 1 time a week. If you calculate that, that's 35 hours a year you're spending in the grocery store. Or you could just go online, order HelloFresh, and it comes right to your house. And you don't have to spend time at the grocery store. I think that's really cool. There are 22 plus new meals every week, which I think is really cool because you can still make a gourmet meal and not have to think about, oh my gosh, what ingredients do I need? I think it saves on time and it saves on waste. I struggle with that, wasting food and buying more ingredients than what I need. And so I love these little pre-packaged dinners, and it helps me. They also have options for low calorie, vegetarian, and family friendly recipes. All kinds of dietary needs.
Alicia CCZ wants to know if we both like it when the boys are not around.
I mean, we're a good family unit. We love having our time together, but of course Summer and I have girl time, where we do things and just talk about, I don't know, girl stuff, I guess.
Yeah, get our nails done, go get coffee.
Yeah.
But no, I like them when they're here. Yeah. Like, it was weird when Asa left, and then when every day when Isaiah gets home from school, I'm like, oh my God, what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
What's gonna happen today?
Yeah, it's a good family unit, so it's a good balance. All right, Kristen Marie Official said, the Moss household, it seems so wild and energetic. What do you do to cool down for a day? So it pretty much is wild and energetic. I mean, during the day we're working, so it's not as wild and energetic, but when everybody's here, and this is like the place that everybody comes to hang out, and I love it. I know I'm gonna miss that when Isaiah goes off, to school. But we do have like weekends where we don't have anything planned. Like this weekend, we have nothing planned. So I'm sure it will be a chill weekend. We still make videos on those weekends. Though.
Yeah. And at night, it always seems that we all congregate downstairs and watch TikTok for a little bit all together. Yeah. So that
and
usually
make
happens.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. It's just the way it is here. It's always been like that though. So we love it. All right, this is from Heather Jett. She said, are you a recipe gal or do you just cook as you go? And I have to be honest, every time I make HelloFresh, I mess up the recipe. Like, I don't look ahead at what I need to do. I just go look off the pictures sometimes and I don't pay attention. So like this time, I was supposed to melt the butter and then add the fry seasoning. Well, I just put the stick of butter and the fry seasoning in there and put it both in the microwave. So I am definitely a cook as you go kind of girl. I do not like to follow rules, but I don't know. This I think is perfect for people who are not good at cooking because it does give you step by step. I mean, you're not a cook, but you and Isaiah have done really well with like following these directions.
Easy. Yep.
Yeah. So you can get these and have them for like when you and your husband go out for date night, and the kids could, if they're old enough, they could stay home and cook dinner. Yep. Like, I think that would be a great option for HelloFresh meals. All right, Julie Nelson 85 wants to know if we feel more like best friends or mother-daughter. What's your take on it?
More mother-daughter, but there are some times where it feels like best friend. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like just one set way, but mostly mother-daughter.
Right, because obviously I don't tell her what to do, but like, I don't know. I definitely see the mother-daughter aspect, although I'm not old enough to be your mother, right? Definitely not old enough. But yeah, it's funny because when we go out places, you can tell if they think I'm her mom because they'll say, is it, it's all on one check, or they'll just bring one check. But if they think that I'm like, we're friends, they always ask, are you together or separate? I'm like, yes. They don't think I'm old enough to be your mom. So I think it just depends on the situation and what's going on. Yeah. And like who's around too. I think more when Isaiah, like when we're more as a family unit, it's more mother-daughter. But when it's just the two of us, I don't know.
Yeah, it's
just
hard. It goes back and forth.
It does. Either way, I just love her.
Aww,
so.
I love you.
All right, this is from M. Peach. She said, any tips on how to make cooking more fun and less of a chore? I would say keep it simple to get started. I have not always enjoyed cooking. When Asa and I first got married, I was awful at cooking, and so I didn't enjoy it. But then if you make dishes that are easy and you are successful at, I think that you can appreciate it more. That's kind of what I did, and now like I can get more out of my comfort zone sometimes. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today and sending in your questions. It's super fun. I think we'll have to do that more often.
Yeah, that was fun.
So we're gonna get plated up. Summer's gonna go pick Abby up for us today so we can get some work done. But we will see you next time. Don't forget, use Cilla's Stuff 10 down in the description. Click on that link and you're gonna get 10 free meals off your first month. So thank you, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Nailed it or failed it? Comment down below. Let us know what you think. I couldn't use the sauce. I made a rookie mistake, and I used a spoon and then on the raw chicken and then put it back in the sauce. Don't do what I did. You don't even need that knife.
Mm-mm.
You can literally use your fork. You know why?
I took too big a bite.
Because I'm a boss. Stuff's good.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of sweet. Savory.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that mustard?
Maple? And the maple.
Mm-hmm. Good job, HelloFresh. It's like you guys have professional chefs working for you or something. Bye, guys. Bye. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What?
Nothing. It was good.
Okay. Except?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just letting the camera roll for a second.
Oh. Getting some B-roll?
No, catch you in the act of being mean to me.
You give me looks. Y'all can't see his looks he gives me behind camera.
Just dab some.
Summer has seen it.
I'm gonna go get Ab.